Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate videos in CapCut on your personal computer. First, open CapCut and either start a new project or load an existing one. Locate the video you wish to copy within your media bin. Simply drag this chosen clip onto your timeline, placing it exactly where you want to begin your editing process. This initial step sets the foundation for all your duplication efforts, ensuring your primary footage is ready to go. Once your clip is on the timeline, selecting it is your next move. For a speedy duplication, press Ctrl+C to copy, then Ctrl+V to paste. An even quicker method is to select the clip and simply press Ctrl+D. This instantly creates an exact copy directly adjacent to your original. These keyboard shortcuts are your best friends for efficient and rapid video editing in CapCut. For a more controlled duplication, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, click and drag your selected video clip to a new position on the timeline. This action immediately generates an identical copy, allowing you to place it precisely where it needs to be. This method is incredibly useful for stacking layers or creating precise sequences, giving you full control over your layout. Duplicating clips opens up a world of creative possibilities within your video projects. You can use these copies to implement dynamic slow motion or rapid fast motion effects on different segments. Try applying distinct filters or color grades to each duplicate, creating captivating visual variations. This technique also enables smooth jump cuts or unique transition sequences, significantly enhancing your video's overall appeal and flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.